We in IDEA have been associated with the Delhi Daredevils now for the last 4 years, and we have had a very fruitful and engaging association with them. And today we are at Delhi, gathered here primarily to launch the IDEA Delhi Daredevil fan page. This is a fan page which is available on the digital platform, on the mobile portal. So anybody, any of the IDEA subscribers will be able to access this IDEA Delhi Daredevil fan page and to know more about the team, the players, and have an engaging interaction with the team members, with the stars of Delhi Daredevil. This is available on a toll-free number 530301. If you call, you get a link to a portal, and when you click on the link, you will be able to actually see free videos, exclusive videos, ringtones. You can actually download the Delhi Daredevil anthem, and so it gives an opportunity for all the Delhi Daredevil fans to get more engaged, to get closer to their stars, and to cheer their team to more and more victories on the field.
Is it reflecting, in terms of subscriber addition or more data usage?
Data usage is anyway increasing as a country. Ever since we launched 3G as a service 3.5 years back, as a country itself, the number of data users are going up, and IDEA definitely is at the forefront of this push for usage of data by our subscribers, both on the 2G and on the 3G. So we are very excited to create this particular fan page, which we feel will ensure that more and more people are able to see relevant content, see content which is meaningful to them on the platform.
Can you talk about the 3G launch in Delhi?
We won the 3G license earlier this year during the Spectrum in February 2014, and we expect that during the course of this financial year, which is FY15, so early either December or January, we should be able to launch 3G in Delhi.
You're doing extremely well on the 3G handsets part. Can you give me some update on that?
Yeah, we in fact started on the journey of the handsets about 2.5-3 years back.
All the IDEA employees, please get seated in the hall.
We launched handsets about 2.5 years back, and till date, I think we have sold close to about 6 lakhs handsets in the market. And the redeeming part has been that almost 70 to 75% of these subscribers are still attached to our network. There is a special offer which comes along with our handsets, which is 3 months of data free, along with IDEA TV, which is actually a TV channel which people can watch on the mobile. And we have had extremely good response in a lot of our 3G markets for our handsets. Our whole objective of launching these handsets has been to ensure that we get the right price points as far as the handsets are concerned. So today, if you look at the market, we have about 4 to 5 handsets ranging from about 4,500 rupees to all the way up to 12,000 rupees. And we will continue to focus on the right features, on the right parameters as far as launching these handsets are concerned, so that more and more of our subscribers can buy these handsets and experience the 3G network.
So 3G roaming was an issue actually. So restarted from yesterday. So has it impacted the 3G growth in India, lack of roaming?
So obviously in the circles where we were dependent on roaming, we could not add any more subscribers as per the verdict, and hence it affected our growth in terms of the 3G subscribers and definitely in those circles. But now that the final verdict has come, we are very keen and very happy to ensure that we will continue to add 3G subscribers in all these circles.
Okay. Recently during the quarterly result, you spoke about 3,500 crore as the capex for the current financial year. Can you throw some light on that? What are the focus?
For telecom companies, capex is primarily on the network side. So both in terms of expanding our network in the geographies that we are present in, both in terms of 2G and in terms of 3G. So the bulk of the capex will actually go in expanding coverage and also in terms of increasing capacities wherever there are capacity constraints, and also in developing a lot of back-end capabilities both in network side and on the IT side to be able to deliver a much greater and top of the line customer experience to our consumers.
What is your focus on the quality aspects of the network?
We are very focused on quality. In fact, quality of service is something it's of paramount importance to us as an organization. We are extremely customer centric. We believe that customer experience is going to be paramount going forward. In fact, we have to continuously reset our own view of what the customer's experience is and what the customer's expectation is, so that we are able to continuously delight him as we go forward.
What are the main reasons for getting more customers during the MNP kind of thing? Because Idea is always leading in that MNP.
We have been able to focus right from the beginning on MNP and the kind of service, the kind of network expansion, and the kind of customer service that we've been able to establish is the reason why we have been leaders in MNP.